cleaning and pre-processing the data, and you've learned how to manipulate it. What's more, you now know how to gather the data yourself. And on top of that, data visualization. Hi, and welcome to the data visualization part of the course. You've come a long way, and you should be really proud. You've also gained some amazing skills that will serve you well on your data analyst journey. So far, you've devoted hours to cleaning and pre-processing the data, and you've learned how to manipulate it. What's more, you now know how to gather the data yourself. And on top of that, you've mastered the Python libraries and methods, which are essential for these data preparation processes. Now that you have first-hand experience and you know that preparing the data is indeed 80% of the effort, it's time for the other 20%, understanding the data. Between you and me, we've saved the best for last. Of course, without the data gathering, cleaning, and pre-processing, we wouldn't have anything meaningful to analyze. But I hope you'll agree with me that the final goal is to gain some actual insight from the data. Which brings us to the key question every aspiring data analyst has asked when looking at the data. Well, how do we analyze it exactly? Just looking at the raw numbers doesn't usually cut it. The reason is that as data analysts, we often work with large data sets containing data with numerous features, so it's hard to have an overview. Moreover, unlike computers, our brain just isn't designed to process information in that form. But guess what? Nothing can beat our visual memory. We've been developing it for centuries and have even programmed computers to transform raw data into easy-to-digest visualizations we can understand and interpret. That's what the data visualization field is all about. By visualizing the data, we can spot patterns, which would otherwise remain hidden in the endless rows and columns of a data table. So a data visualization, or data viz for short, is our best friend when it comes to understanding the data. But there's one other implication which, at least to me, is much more important. Data visualization doesn't only serve us, the people who create the visuals. It helps us present our findings to others as well, and that's quite powerful. Two people can look at the same graph and have the same interpretation. However, when two people look at the same data set, depending on their level of domain